you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
We are doing the Savage Challenge, and it was created by Kiara Wilson. She created this fun TikTok dance. I'm going to teach it to you guys. I'm going to get into the details, go slowly, so you guys can really understand it. If it goes too slow for you guys, I have in the description a time code so you can click it and fast forward to it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And let's get started. So in the beginning, you hear, so you bagged him. On that part, you just do whatever you want. What I do, I throw my hand up. So I have, and then I hit that whoa. So when you hit that whoa, you pull your shoulder back, yeah? And it's like you're pulling something away, and then you stop. So some people just do this. You can if you want to, but if you want that extra pop, you just pull your shoulder, yeah? So you have savage, your arms open up, and then you jump open and close. Yeah, so we have, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Clap, close. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. I'm a savage. Clap, close. Yeah, again. 5, 6, 7. I'm a savage. Clap, close. One more time. 5, 6, 7. I'm a savage. Clap, close. So we have that. Yeah, I'm a savage. Clap, close. Then you're gonna get bougie, classy. So when you do bougie, classy, your hips go from side to side. I'll show a little bit. You go like this, and your shoulders move with them. Yeah? With your arms, you're gonna go like this. Don't keep them too wide, but keep them close. Yeah? So you're gonna get classy, bougie. So what I do with my knees, I'm keeping them bent, so my hips have space to move. So when I go, when I do classy, actually, when I do this, I could pretty much lift my foot. That's how much I lean from foot to foot. So you can do it a little less, but that's what I do to keep it, to make sure my hips can move. Yeah. So you're gonna get classy, bougie. Also, there's a bit of a, it feels like you're having, let's say there is air and the air is really thick. So your hands go very slow through it. So when you do this, classy, bougie. So that's how you're going to get this speed up and slow down. Boom. So try this with me. So you got that, so you're going to get that classy, bougie, classy, bougie. Classy, bougie, classy, bougie, all right? So when we have boom, clap, and classy, bougie. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, I'm a savage. Clap, and classy, bougie. From that classy, bougie, see how I'm going from right to left? Ratchet. So she says ratchet, but you're going to roll with your hips. Yeah? So I'm pretty much here, here, and then see how my hips are back? I go with my hand, I touch the bum bum, whoop, and then you're gonna go around, and then you're going to pop it out. Yeah? So I'm mainly leaning a little bit more to the back leg, to my left leg, whoom, pop. So it's, you go around and pop. So your hand goes around your bum bum, and then you pop it out. So it goes to the front and pop. Yeah? And make sure your arm is not close to your body, but a little bit away. Here, pop. Yeah? So when we have classy, bougie, ratchet, pop. Yes? So let's do it again. So we have savage, clap, and classy, bougie, ratchet, pop. Yeah? So from pop, you're going to get sassy, whom. Yeah? Sassy, 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 and then you're going to get a moody, a wave. So you have sassy, moody, sassy, moody, sassy, moody, sassy, moody. Yeah? So we have, from the beginning, I'm savage, clap, and classy, bougie, ratchet, ka, and sassy, moody, and then we're going to get nasty. So here, and then you're going to go touch your knees, and then you're going to throw it back. So how you do this is, see how my back is a little bit bulged, yeah? From here, you don't have to do it too much, but you're going to have your back bulge, and then you're going to lift your leg, yeah? But when you lift your leg, you're going to arch your back, and then you're going to bring your leg down again. So you're not going to go that high though. You're going to go from here. So it's pretty much like you're rolling your leg, yeah, backwards. This, so I'm going to show it a little bit. This is going to give your bum bum a little bit more lift, yeah? Whoop, do not fall. So here, yes? So you keep your hands on your legs and you just roll it. And you're going to arch your back, yes? So you're going to here, arch your back at the same time, and you're going slowly, you're going to bring it back slowly. So you're gonna go nasty. Yeah, I don't have that much, so you won't see it pop out, but make sure you arch your back. This is how far my back can go. If you can go more, that's good, yeah? This is how far, this is my limit for now, yeah? Zoom, all right? So when we have classy, bougie, ratchet, pa, sassy, moody, nasty. Yes? Nasty. So make sure you focus on this part. So don't do that, but make sure it's here. And then you slowly bring it down your leg too. Okay? Whew, sweating. You're probably sweating too, huh? So let's do it again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. I'm savage, clap, and classy, bougie, ratchet, pop, and sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah, nasty. All right, so we have nasty. Then from here, you're going to get acting stupid. So you just cross your arms, left in the front, cross, and you make a funny face. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. So you lean a little bit to the front. So you have acting stupid, what's happening? Yeah, what's happening? So you just open up your legs a little bit more. So we've had acting stupid, what's happening? And then you're going to get your shoulder to the front and shake, shake. So your hands close, yeah? So what's happening and shake, shake. If you want to, you can just make it more pa, pa, but it's important to know the original and then you can make your own thing, all right? So what's happening and shake, shake. So make sure you push your left shoulder to the front on the shake, shake, yeah? So what's happening, shake, shake. What I do, what's happening, is pull my right shoulder to the front and then, yeah, ba, bam, bam. All right? So we have what's happening and shake, shake, what's happening, kla, ka, ka. Yeah, ba, ba, ka, ka, ka. What's happening, ka, ka, ka. So you push your hip to the right, here, and clap, ka, ka. So you push to the right, you bring it back, pa, pa, ka, ka, pa, pa, ka, ka, pa, pa, ka, ka, boom, boom, ka, ka. So let's do it from the beginning slowly. 5, 6, 7, I'm savage, clap, and classy, bougie, ratchet, ka, and sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? Shake, shake, what's happening? Ka, ka, ka. Yeah? So from the ta, ka, ka, we're going to get savage, shoot, shoot. And then that's it. Yeah? So you boom. So you hit it, boom, 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 boom. And it's probably just 2 times. Yes? So let's do it again from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a savage. Clap and classy, bougie, ratchet. Ka and sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? Ka, ka, what's happening? Ka, ka, I'm a savage. Ba, shoo, ba. Yes? So, let's do it from the beginning, slowly, and then a little faster, and then the normal speed. Good luck.
Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening?